Hello, welcome again. Now come to our next topic that is very important. Potential energy of system of two charges in an external electric field. Now we are going to make a system of 2 point charges in an external electric field. Suppose this is the region where we want to bring 2 point charges, but this is the region where we have electric field. Suppose here we have a source of electric field. This is the source of electric field. Suppose here we have any charge, any conductor, we can say that. So due to over that conductor positive charge is distributed uniformly, so then around this charge there is what? Electric field. Now near this charge we want to bring 2 point charges. Suppose we are going to bring a charge Q1 from infinity. So we have brought this charge and kept here at point A in the field of this source charge, and let its distance, that is R1. So work done to bring Q1 charge from infinity to point A in external electric field is W1, that is equal to, you know that this electric field have a potential here, potential, let it be we can write its potential V at distance R1. So here I will write the potential VR1. This is the potential of this source charge at distance R1, and charge is Q1. Now suppose we are bringing second charge Q2 at infinity to point B. So this charge is coming from Q2 from infinity to point B, and let it be at a distance R2. So work done to bring charge Q2 from infinity to point B, then work done is equal to W2, that is equal to, now let here potential is equal to VR2, because potential is function of R, it will change with respect to distance. So here I am writing VR2, this distance may be different than that of R1. So here we will write V, the potential at R2 into Q2. But at this B point there is potential of Q1 charge also. Firstly, this charge is placed in the potential of this source external electric field, and this B point is lies in the potential of A, because this charge lies near to B. So its distance, if we will take this distance, that is equal to R12, so plus, that is potential of Q1 at B. Again work done to bring this Q2 charge at point B is equal to BR2 Q2, because here there is potential of this source charge, and this B point also lies in the potential of Q1 charge. Then again we have additional term, potential of Q1 at B. So here we write B potential at R2 into Q2 plus, and this potential of Q1, you know that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 into Q2, here Q2 also, because work done potential into Q2 and distance is r1 2. This is w2. So work done, total work done, w1 plus w2, that is equal to vr1 q1 plus potential vr2 q2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 r1 2. And this potential will store in the form of electric potential. This work done will store in the form of electric potential energy. So in this way we can find out electric potential energy due to system of two charges in the external electric field. So for that we have firstly taken here source of external electric field, and these two charges are placed in the external electric field. When we have brought this charge, so here we have the potential of the source charge, and when we have brought this q2 charge from infinity so at point B, there is a potential of source charge and potential of q1 charge. So here we have additional term, this one. So after adding this we will get total work. That work will store in the form of electric potential energy. So I think this topic is very helpful to you. Try to solve it or try and do the practice. Thank you.